To replace motherboard on 5-in-1 mug press, first of all, tip the machine over, just like that, and there's gonna be screws located here, 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 here. So pretty much all along. So grab a screwdriver and start screwing them. Okay, once you have them removed, you should be able to just lift the cover off. Okay. It'll be easier if you have it this way. So you can see all the motherboards, so there's 5 in total. So just get your replacement, unplug, there's 3 connections located here, here and here. So get your new motherboard in, plug it in and close it with the cover.